When was the last time you disappeared? From the life in the concrete jungles we call cities. From everyday conversations that have long become repetitive. And the rest of those regular scenes. Why not now? When was the last time you really had enough time to sense any of these? The scent of the beach. The morning dew under your bare feet. Sunset hues. The orchestration of nature. When was the last time you floated across the line? Over those walls and lost your sense of time? Why not now? When music travels back to Mother Nature.